In today's video, I'll be doing a review of Screpy. Screpy is an AI-based SEO and web analysis tool that lets you and your team analyze and monitor all your website metrics in one dashboard. Screpy combines top website analytics and SEO tools you need to make sure your website is performing at top speed. Also, I'm doing a giveaway of an AI writing software. For that, you just have to comment down below on why you like Screpy and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive into Screpy. I'll leave a link to the lifetime deal in the description below this video. So Screpy is an all-in-one SEO toolset. In that you get keyword tracker. So you can just track the keyword. Then you also get this page speed monitoring. You can monitor the page speed. Then you get this SEO monitoring here. Also you get uptime monitoring. Then you get syntax checker. So this Screpy AI is available on appsumo for just $49. So this is a one-time purchase, and this deal is backed by 60-day money-back guarantee. So you can try this software for 60 days. If you don't like it, you can ask for a refund. So here, as you can see, all the features here, in $49 you get this technical SEO audit and monitoring, then page speed analysis and monitoring, uptime monitoring, then you get this Google rank checker, so monthly 4,000 keywords credits, then also you get syntax checker, then 10 websites and monthly 8,000 analysis credits, on demand analysis. So there are multiple features here which you can have a look at. So I'll just log into Screpy and I'll show you what they have to offer. So once you log into Screpy, so here you'll be able to see all the projects here. So once I click on this projects, so here you'll be able to see the overview here. So this is the site health. It's 89 out of 100. Then these are SERP keywords here. Then these are all the crawled pages. So here, as you can see all the redirects, broken, healthy and blocked here. So then we have this links here. So you can see all the no follow, do follow, no referrer, no opener links. So you can see the link types here, internal, external, anchor text here. Then also you get this image here. So you can see all the type of images that you have, like PNG, JPEG, then GIFs. Also you can see all the broken links, big images, redirect, missing alt, attribute, then missing title here. Also you can see all the issues here, and this is the keyword ranking. So we'll just check one by one. So once you click on issues here, so here you'll be able to see all the issues. Then there are warnings and these are notices. So here, as you can see, so there are around 24 issues. So whenever it's an issue, you need to make sure you solve the issue immediately. So as you can see, so this is duplicate H1. So once I click on this arrow, so I'll exactly be able to see what's the issue here. So you can just make changes accordingly. So after that, we have this crawler here. So once you click on crawler, so here you will be able to diagnostic. Then if there are any syntax issue, you can do that. This is broken pages, then this is canonical. So you can see here. Then we have this HTML info here. Also you can see the slow pages here if you have any on your website. So next what we have is content. So in the content here, you'll be able to see all the keywords on your websites. Then there are missing title, you can see. So there is no missing titles. Then you can see all the long titles here. You can do that. Then long description, short description, missing H1. So missing H1. So as you can see, so this is the missing H1. Then we have this low content ratio here. So here you'll be able to see the pages here. So after this is done, you can see the SERP here. So here you'll be able to So here you'll be able to track all your keywords here. So which are in the top 100 or top 10, you can track all your keywords. So then we have this page speed, Google Page Speed Co. So in the general, so here you'll be able to see my performance. It's 83 out of 100. Then accessibility, it's 93. Then best practices 100, SEO is 100. So as you can see, so if you want to reanalyze it, you just have to click on this and it will give you the result in a couple of minutes. So then we have this core web vitals here. So once you click on this, so here you will see FCP, LCP, all the metrics here. So after that, we have this links here. So once you click on all links here, so here you'll be able to see all the links here. So you can see the internal links here and the external links here, do follow links here. So what are the do follow links you have on your website? You can just go through that. So then we have this no follow links, no referral links, no opener links. So you can go through all the links directly from here. And then we have this images here. So in the images, as you can see, so these are all the images here you'll be able to see. So here you'll be able to see all the missing alt attributes here. Then you have this missing titles. So something is missing, you need to make sure you make the changes and improve your SEO score. Then there are no broken images, big images. There are slow images here. So as you can see, so there are 41 slow images. You can make the changes accordingly. Then we have this uptime. So as you can see, the average response time is 1.41 second. So this is the uptime, and for settings you can make some changes here in the settings. So overall I think Screpy is a very good monitoring software. So it will help you improve your SEO score, that is on page SEO score, and improve your ranking on Google. Overall, I'm really impressed by this SEO and web analysis tool because it has a lot of really unique and very useful and intuitive features that allow you to analyze and monitor all your website metrics in one dashboard. Screpy combines the top website analytics and SEO tools you need to make sure your website is performing at top speed. I will definitely recommend going ahead and grabbing this. As always, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.